It's Monday, August 28th. Just following up on the SPY here. You can see it's now continuing lower after buying puts here on this big red bar, taking out the first bar low and continuing lower. I just scaled out to set up an hour's trade. I bought those 445 puts at 404, just scaled out at 450. They're kind of at the 450 area right now. And we'll just see if this breakdown, continues or not. We're still above the midpoint of the prior day. So, you never know for sure what's going to happen. It's going to have to get down kind of the midpoint of that day to even begin the failure. We still have an inside bar on the weekly chart. So we don't, other than the fact that it couldn't follow through to start and we're starting red, that's just the very beginning of the week. So we'll see if that holds or not. There's all kind of, we don't really know a lot until this day really closes or until we could really get a big failure below the midpoint of that bar. Other than that, we might come down here and eventually, reverse back up. You never know. But at this point, given that opening price action and given my potential bias to the downside, if we fail to move up here on this big reversal day towards that target, I was thinking maybe we could be starting lower and then that opening price action, certainly that first bar up, just pausing here for 4 bars and couldn't break above that first bar high and then heading lower. I didn't get any kind of buy signal. If anything, I knew, I had high probability this red bar was going to take out at least the pre-market lows. Or the intraday lows, and then start heading down here, possibly to the low of the pre-market range. So, we're heading down there now. It's no risk. We'll just see now. We'll watch 15-minute structure and let that guide us here. If we keep heading lower, well, this could be the start of a failure day. We'll know a lot more by the end of the day. But so far, a good trade on the SPY to the downside. That was the only real attempt here. And given that there is a potential failure, on this daily chart and the weekly chart breaking to the downside, we will go with it and just see if it really unfolds. If not, if it just kind of pauses in here, then, no risk. So let's see how much lower the SPY might want to go, and we'll really know more by the end of the day.